Cough-Smith AM syrup combines ambroxol, vancomycin, menthol, and terbutaline to ease cough and congestion. It provides quick relief from respiratory discomfort. Perfect for cold and bronchitis symptoms. Consult your doctor for the right dosage.